After struggling with the coronavirus for quite some time, there is the increased urge to party and the need to let loose. Yet as New Year celebrations approach, the Omicron variant is casting more gloom in several parts of the world. Dire warnings abound. Caseloads are rising alarmingly fast. Air traffic is snarled, and several countries are considering more restrictions to add to the patchwork of lockdowns and other measures already in place in many nations. Director of the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Disease, Dr. Anthony Fauci, warned on Monday that with the rise of the highly contagious Omicron, it's going to get worse before it gets better.
Fortunately, what we've seen thus far is that if you're vaccinated and boosted and you do get infected with a breakthrough infection, that your infection is either generally asymptomatic or mildly symptomatic. The way it's going up right now, it's going to get worse before it gets better, that's for sure. We don't expect things are going to turn around in a few days to a week. It likely will take much longer than that, but that's unpredictable.
New York City's sweeping mandates requiring nearly all businesses from multinational corporations to corner grocery stores to ban unvaccinated employees from the workplace took effect Monday amid a spike in infections. In Denmark, infection numbers have gone up drastically in the past few days and set a one-day record of over 16,000 in the nation of 5.8 million. Meanwhile, travelers around the world face flight cancellations and delays because of staffing shortages linked to COVID-19. FlightAware, a flight tracking website, counted more than 2,400 cancellations worldwide by Monday afternoon, 884 of them within, into, or out of the U.S.
He said that the reason why the flights were canceled was crew availability due to COVID.
That's why it's good to have plan B, C, D, E, F.
Although the new strain appears milder, its higher rate of transmissibility is putting pressure on health systems in several countries. Its unpredictability is keeping many governments second-guessing and picking wildly varying strategies to beat back the pandemic. Countries in the Eastern Caribbean in particular have put into place travel restrictions and have strengthened other health-related measures to combat the further spread of the virus. For this week's Health Update, I am Krista Campbell reporting.